Hi everyone, I'm Aditi and today I'm talking about the Samsung Galaxy S21 with Snapdragon 888. Powered by the Snapdragon 888 mobile platform, this phone has the latest tech for 5G speeds up to 7.5 Gbps and a triple ISP to take stunning photos. Whether you are a gaming enthusiast or a social media guru, you will get powerful features to do what you love. Plus, with the pro-grade camera with AI single take, portrait mode, night mode and 30x space zoom, you will capture the perfect shot every time. There's also dual recording so you can film in both wide and selfie angles simultaneously. On the front, there is 32 megapixel f2.2 camera. The 16.28cm dynamic AMOLED 2x display has a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling, intelligent eye comfort shield, a 19.5:9 screen ratio with slim bezels, and a FHD plus resolution. Plus, the iconic contour cut design and Gorilla Glass Victus make it both stylish and robust. With a 4500 mAh battery, you will get super fast charging and fast wireless charging, plus wireless power share to charge other compatible devices. Samsung DEX connectivity, stereo speakers with sound by AKG, and Dolby Atmos complete the package. So if you are on the hunt for the perfect phone, the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE 5G is an excellent choice.